everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, let's try this Efren barbecue in an air fryer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other air fryer recipes here, and also check out my playlist. Just spray a little bit of olive oil. It's ready to air fry. Very easy lang to prepare. Marinated na kasi yung ating barbecue. It's already marinated. And now, only 200 degrees Celsius and first 5 minutes. And another 5 minutes for the other side. Yes, 5 minutes is over. Yummy. So, because it's a thin slice, manipis lang siya, another 5 minutes, flip it over for another 5 minutes. Total cooking time for this thin slice, 10 minutes. Alright, additional 5 minutes, same temperature, 200 degrees, and then 5 minutes. Total cooking time, 10 minutes. Yes! Oh my god! It's so delicious. Well, see, this is our finished product. Very easy to cook pork barbecue using an air fryer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other air fryer recipes here.